Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2013 Harley-Davidson Sportster Custom. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2013 Harley-Davidson Sportster Custom at 12,701 miles runs well. It's been upgraded with a Screaming Eagle Heavy Breather Stage 1 intake, a Vance & Hines Short Shots exhaust, aftermarket foot pegs, Betwell grips, an LED headlight, and smoked front turn signals. We have replaced the rear tire. Powered by an 1199cc V-twin engine, the Sportster puts 79 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 4.5-gallon fuel capacity, the Sportster has a 150 to 200-mile range. It has a 28.5-inch seat height and a 582-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, the Sportster will need a quieter exhaust. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 5/30 seconds, and installed a new rear tire. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scrapes on the foot peg, a dent on the gas cap, a paint blemish on the fuel tank, and paint chips and corrosion developing on the rear fender. This bike has one key and one fob, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.